Welcome to Trinity University's Tlearn tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to unhide, show, or make visible a course. Let's get started. After logging into Tlearn, step 1 is to click on the course you wish to edit. Step 2 is to click the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Edit Settings. Step 3 is to locate course visibility and click on the Hide option. Step 4 is to click the Show option. Lastly, Step 5 is to press the Save and Display button. After going through these steps, you should now know how to unhide, show, or make visible a course.